क्या है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों से बात करेंगे पंजाब नेशनल बैंक शेयर के बारे में। और पंजाब नेशनल बैंक शेयर्स इन स्पॉटलाइट एज डिपॉजिट एडवांस रेज इन दिसंबर क्वार्टर से कॉल Q3 फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2026 subject. The lender in a regulatory filing said its domestic business came in at 27,065 288 crore, up 3.11% QOQ and 9.09% YOY. Global advance of PNB increased 5.36 on a quarterly basis and 10.98 YOY to 12,32,245 crore in a stock. Punjab National Bank share will be on investor radar on Monday, January 5, after the state-run lender released its December quarter for financial year 2025 to 2026. The lender is a regulatory filing said its global business grew 3.8% sequentially and 9.57% year-on-year to 28.92 lakh crore. Its domestic business came in at 27,65,288 crore, up 3.11% QOQ and 9.09% YOY. The global deposit also grew 8.54% to 16,60,385 crore. Sequentially, it went up 2.68%. The state-run lender's domestic deposit for the period under review stood at 15,97,487 crore, up 2.14% QOQ and 8.32% YOY. Global advance increased 5.36% on a quarterly basis and 10.98% YOY to 12,32,245 crore, while domestic advance came in at 11,67,801 crore, up 4.47% QOQ and 10.15% YOY. PNB Q2 result. Punjab National Bank had reported a net profit of 4,904 crore in the second quarter of the current financial year, making an increase of 14% from 4,303 crore in the same period last year. Its net interest income, or difference between interest earned on loans and expended on deposit, declined marginally to 10,469 crore in the July-September period from 10,517 crore in year-ago period. During the quarter, Punjab National Bank wrote back previous 639 crore for bad loans against providing